Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, just like the title said, I did not want to straighten her hair because her curls look so beautiful. Like, it was almost like baby doll curls. But she wanted to try, Silkpress professionally for the first time. So we decided to do it. And I trust myself because, of course, I'm a professional and I know how to silk her out the healthy way to where her curls will shake right back, when it's time to go back in natural state. So, one thing I noticed that y'all see as y'all watch the video is that as I straightened her hair, I noticed her ends, even kind of in the blow dry state when I was blowing it out, that her ends were very chunky. Like, it was tough to get through on her ends. But the thing was, I noticed that her hair has been recently chopped. So I asked her, has she had a recent big chop or anything, or how long she's been natural. Then she told me that she used to have locks in her hair. I said, oh, that's what it is. So I'm guessing when they did the locks, they must have did like a cut. They cut. I'm trying. Well, I don't know for sure, but I wonder if when she grew her hair out, they cut the locks off, but didn't concentrate on making sure the shape was right. The main focus was starting fresh and cutting them off. So y'all will see when it's time to trim. She really didn't have too bad of split ends, but it was time to get them trimmed because even with you doing a big cut on your hair, you gotta be careful because your ends can become chunky, especially if it's not blended. If your ends are not blended, it can become choppy and chunky and hard to comb through. And also, even if you have thick density hair, it'll really be hard to comb through. It'll become like hard and blunt at the ends. So y'all will see that I blended it up as best I could. I didn't want to cut too much up to her ears because it wasn't needed. So I cut enough to blend her shape a little more. So hopefully in the future she comes to get it trimmed again, it'll be even more smooth. So I really like the turnout at the end. So I hope y'all enjoy the video. And if you have anything to say or comment below, once again, thank y'all for checking out my videos too. I really appreciate y'all. Alrighty.
Me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. So meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire, no. So give me when I want it, baby, 'cause I got what you need. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Slow dancing in the night, yeah. I wake you up. So tell me, can we try again? Isn't it funny? We came to that. I thought I won you over, but you were holding back. Isn't it funny? You could not care less. How you took those words back, now I'm just a mess. I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday. Convincing me this cannot be. Trying to find another way. Yeah.